Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be practicing how to tie shoes. And I'm going to do this a couple times so that if you have a child that's trying to learn, they won't get frustrated. So the first time, I'm just going to go through the motion and talk to you about when a child should be learning to tie their shoes and the best way for them to learn. So at least by the time that they're in kindergarten, they should be tying their shoes. But I have three children. My oldest child was tying her shoes by the time she was 2 years old. And my youngest child, it took him a little bit longer. So don't get frustrated. Okay, so you're going to start with the shoe on a flat surface facing you and put one lace in each hand. Next, you're going to tape both laces and thread one lace over the other, then pull it tight to form a knot. Next, you're going to make a loop with one of the laces. So you should be holding the lace between your thumb and your first two fingers. Then use your other hand to wrap the other lace around the loop. Finally, hold both loops and pull them tight, and you should have your bow. Now, the biggest thing to remember is to do it again and again because practice makes perfect.